Hello dear students, welcome. You all are welcome here. This is Harvinder Singh from Mahatma Gandhi Government School Saver. Dear students, as you can see here on the board that we are going to discuss the poem Where Do All the Teachers Go? Class 6 subject English. Here actually in this poem, here the curiosity of a little child has been described. Every child of any school is always curious about the lifestyle of his or her teacher. Actually, in the view of a student, his or her teacher is not a common person or not an ordinary one. He or she is very special to him. So obvious, it's very obvious. Every student thinks that after the school, where do all the teachers go? So this is related to the student's curiosity. So let's start the poem. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? It's a curiosity of a child. He actually describes where do all the teachers go. It's a question. After the school, when the bell has rung, where do all the teachers, where have all the teachers gone? It is the curiosity of the child. Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? He thinks, he wonders, do his teachers live in the houses as the common persons live, or do they wash their socks themselves as the common persons do? Do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV and do they pick their noses the same as you and me? The child again expresses his wonder about his teachers as the child watches TV as he picks his nose. So in the same way, do all the teachers wear pajamas? Do all the teachers watch TV? Do all the teachers pick their noses? This is his wonder. Again, do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? Again, he expresses his wonder. His curiosity demands the information about his teachers. Do they have moms and dads as we all have? Were they ever children and were they ever bad? He wonders that his teachers also, is it right that they have done all the mistakes as all the children do? When they were child, they did the same thing as we do. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Next, further, he again wonders that in the past, when his teachers were children, had they committed mistakes as we do now? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? The child wonders that we are punished because of pinching the chocolate flakes nowadays. In the same way, had they been punished? Did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Actually, children generally forget their books, their bag, and all the necessary things used in the school. They generally forget them. They generally lose them. In the same way, do the teachers also lose? Did they scribble on the desktops? The child is saying that the child is thinking that he generally scribbles on the desktops. Do the teachers also scribble on the desk? Did they wear old dirty jeans? Actually, in the view of a child, in his thinking, in his imagination, his teacher is just next to super beings. So he thinks his teacher also a super being, not a common person, not an ordinary person. He thinks, he imagines that his teachers are not ordinary ones. They are something different. So he is curious to know much about his teachers. I'll follow one back home today. I'll find out what they do. Then I will put it in a poem that they can read to you. In the last of the poem, in this last stanza, he says that today I'll follow one of them and I'll go to his home and find out what they do and write all the things, all the activities of my teacher in the next poem. And in that poem, the teacher will teach you everything about his activity. So, dear friends, this poem is all about the curiosity of a child about his teacher. He thinks his teacher is not a common person. He is an extraordinary one. He wonders whether his teacher does the same things as an ordinary person does, or in a different way. Is my teacher is a common one or an extraordinary one? He is always curious about it, as we all have been. When we think about our childhood, we were also curious to know, and we also imagined our teachers as super beings, and we also thought that they didn't commit mistakes. They never wrote wrong spellings. They knew everything. In Hindi, I also want to again summarize it. इस पूरी पोएम में एक बच्चा है जो अपनी क्यूरियोसिटी है उसकी, वो बच्चा ये सोचता है कि उसका जो टीचर है, जैसा कि हम सभी जब बच्चे थे हम भी सोचते थे कि हमारा जो टीचर है वो साधारण लोगों की तरह नहीं होता, वो उनसे कुछ हटके होता है, वो एक सुपर बीइंग्स, यानी एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो सब कुछ कर सकता है और जो एक नॉर्मल चीजों को नहीं कर सकता। जो नॉर्मल चीजें नहीं करता वो नॉर्मल नहीं है, वो हमारी तरह वर्क नहीं करता ही। वो समझते हैं, हम भी ऐसा समझते थे कि हमारा जो टीचर है वो सारी चीजें जानता है, वो कभी गलती नहीं करता। लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि भाई लोग बोलते हैं आम आदमी, तो उसकी फिर क्यूरियोसिटी होती है कि भाई हमारा टीचर इन सामान्य आदमियों की तरह ही है या इनसे कुछ अलग है। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द क्यूरियोसिटी। एज ही आस्क्ड a question in the beginning, where do all the teachers go, कि भाई जब 4 बजते छुट्टी होती है तो सारे टीचर्स कहाँ जाते हैं। उसको बिलीव नहीं होता कि ये भी हमारी तरह घर जाते और हमारी तरह घरों में रहते हैं। डू दे लिव इन हाउसेज, डू दे वॉश देयर सॉक्स। उस बच्चे को ये बिलीव नहीं होता, वो आश्चर्य करता है कि यार ये भी हमारे माँ बाप की तरह या हमारी तरह अपने सॉक्स को धोते हैं स्वयं। डू दे वियर पजामाज, क्या टीचर भी पजामा पहनते, ये उसको बिलीव नहीं है। And do they watch TV and do they pick their noses the same as you and me? और वो नाक में उंगली करते हैं क्या हमारी तरह, बच्चों की तरह, या जब वो बच्चे थे तब वो करते थे क्या? Do they live with other people? Have they mums and dads? क्या हमारे जो टीचर है उनके भी माँ बाप हैं घरों में? And were they ever children and were they ever bad? क्या वो भी कभी बच्चे रहे और उन्होंने बुरी आदतों को अपनाया? क्या उन्होंने गलतियां की? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistake? क्या हमारे टीचर्स कभी गलती नहीं करते? वो ये जानने के लिए क्यूरियस है। Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? क्या जैसे आज हम चॉकलेट फ्लेक्स फाड़ते हैं, चॉकलेट खाते हैं क्लास में, तो हमें कोने में ले जाके मैडम जो है पनिश करती हैं, खड़े रहो वहां। तो क्या ऐसे हमारे टीचर्स को भी जब वो बच्चे थे तो उनको पनिश किया गया था? ये सब जानने के लिए क्यूरियस है। He is curious. Did they ever use their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desktop? ग्रीन्स का यहाँ मतलब है हरी सब्जियों को, हिम बुक होती हैं जो पोइम्स बुक होती है, क्या इन सब चीजों को वो स्कूलों में जैसे हम भूलाते हैं ऐसे वो भूलते थे क्या जब वो बच्चे थे? Did they wear old dirty jeans? क्या वो पुराने जीन्स पहनते हैं जैसे हम बच्चे पहनते हैं? I'll follow one back home today. आज मैं एक शिक्षक के पीछे कर जाऊंगा। I'll find out what they do, और ये पता करूंगा वो क्या करते हैं घर पे। Then I will put it in a poem. और फिर मैं उसके बाद इन सब जो भी एक्टिविटी हमारे टीचर करते हैं जो मुझे पता लगेगा उसको एक पोएम में लिखूंगा, that they can read to you, और वो फिर इसको पढ़ के बताए। तो ये है आपकी पोएम। इसमें कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स, मैं इनको थोड़ा सा आपके लिए मेंशन कर दूं, और वो वर्ड्स आपको यहाँ बोर्ड पे दिखेंगे। यू कैन यूज द पॉज टू वॉच टू सी ऑल द वर्ड्स, राइट देम इन योर नोटबुक। सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज पिक देयर नोज। पिक देयर नोज यानी नाक में उंगली डालना। नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज विच लुक्स डिफिकल्ट इज हिम्बो। हिम और means books of poems. Next is scribble. Scribbles means होता है जब वो बच्चे जब बैठते हैं टेबल पे तो उसको खुरच के कुछ लिखते हैं, तो वो खुरचना है। खुरच के लिखना. It's called scribble. So this is all about the poem. Where do the teachers go? That's all for today. We will meet in the next video. If you have any query, you can clear your doubt by calling us through WhatsApp, or you can talk to your parents to meet here in the school. Thanks a lot.